Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm back with another entry for the Pocket Challenge, and this is entry number 14, and it's from the lovely Christal Gill. Hey Christal! It arrived late yesterday, so I wanted to open it and see what was inside. So let me just pull everything out here. Okay. And she's got everything wrapped nicely. So let me just cut this open. It's in a lovely plastic bag. Thank you. Lovely plastic shopping bag. That'll come in handy for some things in the craft room. So let's do that. And there's a card on top. Okay. Oh, look at the card. Isn't that adorable? And I'm sure Christal made that because she has lots of crazy good skills. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the paper you've used here. Oh, it's a bunch of papers. That's cool. She's done like strips here, and then she's done the punch. That's really cool. Look at the little owls. So cute. And it says hugs. That's so pretty. What a beautiful card. Dear Kim, thank you so much for hosting this challenge. Enclosed are my entries. I hope you liked them. I enjoyed making each one for you. Aw, crafty hugs, Christal Gill, and she sent her email. That is very cool. Thank you, Christal. I'm so glad you entered. Thank you so much. So let's do this one first because it's on top. So we'll do this one first. Just cut that. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that bling. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. That's amazing. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that bling. But look at everything else too. This is a paper pocket, and she's done this lovely sort of dusky pink paper. This is gorgeous. Look at the trim on the bottom. Beautiful hearts, and she's got all these flat backs here. I love this color of flat back. It's one of my favorites. Oh, look at how beautiful. And then she's got an applique here with the most amazing piece of bling. That's incredible, and I bet that's vintage too. And all the little flat back pearls she's got everywhere, and then this beautiful gimp trim with pearls here going around the edge. And then underneath she's got this beautiful lace here, more of the heart lace. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Oh, I love it, Christal. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's just stunning. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how you did all the pearls on here. This lace here is so soft and beautiful. I love that. Oh, it's beautiful. And then a gimp trim here and up here like a crocheted trim. Hope you can see that. Oh, that is stunning. Wow, girl, that's amazing. Amazing. Oh, so beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, that's just stunning. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You guys are all so incredibly talented. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wow. These are little tags and images. Oh my gosh. Oh, Christal, thank you so much for these. Oh, these are cool. Thank you. Look at. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. This, yep, amazing. And all in lavender colors, which I love. I got my eye on that lavender paper from Prima too. these would be amazing in that journal. Look at these. Thank you so much for these. Oh, wow. Oh, I love these. That's gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you so much for these, because I just kind of got to the end of my ink in my printer. I have to order some. So this is very well appreciated at the moment. That was good timing. Those are beautiful. Thank you so much. I love getting things like this. Let me put the little paper clip on, and then she has sent these beautiful pieces. Look at these. Oh, I love that. That's just gorgeous. Oh, they're like labels. Oh, these are beautiful. I could see a whole journal being made out of all of these. And then, oh my goodness, postcards. Look at these. Love these too. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Okay, fingers work. Okay, there's that one. Absolutely beautiful. And then that one. And then that one. Oh, these are amazing. Thank you, Christal. Oh, I love these. Oh, yep, very cool. Thank you so much for those. Those are extremely handy to have. Thank you so much. Okay, let me open this one. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. I think that's a, just that? Nope. It's like a flap. Oh no, it's a pocket. Okay. Sorry. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I love this image, and she's got stickles on it. I love this little tiny trim here that you've put around the edge. That's so incredibly soft. And I love this color here of little roses, this raspberry color. I just love that. And then she's got, I think you probably dyed those with your sprays, didn't you? These little dangles here in a purple and a green. I bet you she dyed those. I love how you did that. And she's got stickles on all of the little roses too. And look at this little trim here, this little lavender trim here. I love that. Oh, it's so pretty. And again, this beautiful dusty pink paper. And then you open it and look at this. This piece here, it's like this is like an applique with a material piece in the center of organza with these embroidered flowers. This is actually one of my favorite pieces of fabric that I have. I actually got some from Donna Little. It's the same type of embroidered roses on it. And then she's got more of the gimp trim here. And then you can just see underneath some beautiful lace. And then up here, she's got more lace here, more of the heart trim, and then more of this beautiful, oh, they're little butterflies. See, I didn't notice that on the front, but they're little butterflies in lavender. And then a beautiful, nice, deep pocket here. Whoops. Beautiful, nice, deep pocket here. That is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. I love these flowers. Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you, Christal. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. You guys are all just so talented. It's amazing. And then we have this. Christal, you're so sweet. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a boot. I love this. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, wow. And you sent me some of this beautiful gimp trim. Thank you so much. Oh, I don't have any of that. That's amazing. Thank you so much. And some gorgeous satin ribbon here in a taupe color. I love this boot. This boot's amazing. Oh, it's so cool. I love how you did that. Look at the little pleated trim at the top here. I love this. Thank you. I love the little roses too. But look at this beautiful trim here. Thank you so much for that. That was a lovely gift. Thank you so much. And then the beautiful satin ribbon at the bottom. And then this looks like a little pocket, very tiny little pocket that she's added as well. And I love tiny pockets like this for journals. These are the best. And she's got another one of those little raspberry flowers here and some lace. Same paper, and which I love this paper. This color is amazing. Little applique and some lace here. More of that beautiful little butterfly trim at the bottom, and then some tulle. And a little pocket right there. Oh, Christal, you are amazing. Thank you so much for everything. Your pockets are just absolutely stunning. Let me show you guys again these. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then look at this. Really just stunning work. And of course you're going to find the link to Christal's channel down below so you can see how talented this amazing lady is. And thank you for all these amazing images, Christal. These will be very used soon, actually, because I feel like I may have to do a lavender journal now. So I may do that soon. But I love all these. These are fantastic. And thank you for your beautiful little pocket as well here, and the lovely boot. This is very cool. It makes me smile, so thank you for that. And your gorgeous card. So thank you for everything, and please go and sub to Christal. You can see how talented this lady is, and she's very active in our community and super supportive of everybody, so please go along and sub to her if you're not already. Thank you, Christal, and thank you everybody for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon. Take care, guys. Bye for now.